My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Mercedes-Benz SLC. This vehicle has done just under 39,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access radio and media, navigation, smartphone integration, and our vehicle settings. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. In here we can access our roof latch, Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.